Mamata Banerjee and the India Alliance again believe what Rahul Gandhi is saying is fine? You will support him in this good fight against Bharat?
See, I don't think that you will find any sense in anybody's comment or their advocacy, but until unless they say yes to your opinion. That is the problem. See, when you, even in your headlines itself, you have mentioned Bharat. There is no quote unquote the word Bharat in Rahul Gandhi's speech in itself.
What is
India?
Now, the reason why you failed to take
Indian
the name
state
India
He is
over
defending
there,
that's the
fight is
problem.
against the
Time and
Indian
again.
state
No,
itself.
Shubhankar, wait.
How else do you
Wait.
translate
No,
that?
it is absolutely fine. See, I am glad that
now
these
so much.
questions,
The topic in
these
itself has
questions
become so
make all of
biased.
you uncomfortable. I will also ask Charu
so
Pragya that
biased.
why is she only playing politics and not ensuring that Rahul Gandhi is arrested? Because this is treason. But before I do that, Shubhankar, tell me something. When Rahul Gandhi says that we are fighting the BJP, we are fighting the RSS, we are fighting the Indian state, what does he mean? Can you tell me?
Can I take that question, Deepthi? Can I take
Shubhankar,
that question?
Shubhankar.
Can I give you an answer?
Hello? Yes.
What is the Indian state? Can you tell me?
Yes. See, what I'm saying, Deepthi,
Yes.
Deepthi, we also understand the much of the knowledge of English that you have. I think we understand that any sentence can be put into a million of things.
I'm sorry.
It is your
Imagine
perspective. You are looking through your own perspective, and you are just putting it through us.
Please come in now.
What he meant to say, what Rahul Gandhi meant to say over here, if anybody, any lame person, if he listens to the entire dialogue, it says it is just the state of the condition of India, how the BJP has.
Did he say
put
condition
down
of India? Because I didn't
imposed
see
the
that.
condition on
No,
India.
Shubhankar. Then be upfront. And say the Samajwadi Party, the Trinamool, the Congress, the Aam Aadmi Party, everyone supports Rahul Gandhi. Please say this openly that all of you are fighting against Bharat. No. Please, I mean, you can't play both ways. But Charu, I have to ask you this question. How can you give Rahul Gandhi a free pass here? Why have you not ensured that he is booked and he is arrested? Is this treason or not treason?
Deepthi, Rahul Gandhi is not a child in politics anymore. I think this is not childish politics. This is vindictive politics, and he's showing his hatred for India at every single step. He has actually become a stooge of foreign powers that want to break up India. Powers which are against the sovereignty of our nation. Rahul Gandhi has just become a puppet in their hands, and he's echoing their sentiments time and time again. I really don't know why all these people are bothering to translate or defend a statement which is self-explanatory. He clearly said, my fight is against the Indian state itself. How can you represent that to mean something else altogether? I do not know. And
So
Deepthi,
why don't you get him arrested? Please book him, no?
I was coming to that. Deepthi, have we ever left an occasion to take the legal route when something like this have happened in the past? Never. So whether he's using defamation against people, we have gone to the courts have taken decisions. We are going to do the same this time. Rahul Gandhi cannot be allowed
But what
to
are
get
you
away with
waiting
this.
for? What are you
Modi
waiting for?
hatred,
Rahul
it's
Gandhi
already
hasn't taken
happening.
back his comment.
Modi hatred cannot become India hatred, and I just want to say one more thing. He is not just a sympathizer of urban Naxals and terrorists. He's the one who goes abroad and meets ISIS sympathizers. He's the one who's intent on ensuring India's image comes down every time he speaks abroad, whether it is talking about minorities, whether it is saying he doesn't want to live in India at all. He does not understand that the very land, the very soil he stands for is India. But he will go abroad and say that India is not a country, it's a union of states.
But where has the BJP acted against Rahul Gandhi? I don't understand. You let him be there. You let him make those comments because that helps you.
Not at all. First of all, we are not reliant on him for anything. 89 losses in a row to Rahul Gandhi, he can keep that crown to himself. The fact is, we work for the people of this country, and that is why this country is
Charu, you're only
progressing every
thinking
step
of
the way.
politics. You know, there is